together with their advisor to Miss Peter Sash.
As a little boy, I had watched how our parents
Sinay na lakaw, be.
safely, and I want to do the same, to serve people with responsibility, care, and professionalism. His motto in life is dream big. Our dream is never denied, but only delayed. Not now, but soon.
Princess of Faith, Catalea Maica Mauleon, 4 years old, from San Antonio, Duero, Bohol. A daughter of Maizen Simino. She wants to become a flight attendant. Reason in choosing the career? To serve people while exploring the world. Motto in life: to grow, to evolve, to never settle for less. May I request the parents and together with their advisor to Miss Peter Sash. Peter Sash.
Dapat mo, Bi! Hold hand, hold. Hold! I-hold! Idahan! I-hold! Na! Smile! Smile, smile, Bi! Smile! Lucas! Ate, smile, ate! Okay!
Her motto is to become, her motto in life: success comes to the one who acts first. May I request the parents? Our first runner-up, we have Nathaniel Jones A. Barrow and Samantha Louise H. Socorro. Nathaniel Jones A. Barrow, 4 years old, from Purong Dos, Mawin, Duero. The son of Mrs. Jovi Jones C. Barrow and Mrs. Malin A. Barrow. He wants to become a policeman. Reason in choosing the career? To help uphold laws and protect people, especially his own family. Motto in life: be kind, be brave, and always do your best.
Career is she wants to become a flight attendant. Reason on choosing the career: flight attendants ensure passenger safety and comfort, often assisting those with special needs, elderly travelers, or families with young children, work that can be deeply rewarding. The job allows travel to different countries, experiencing new cultures and landscapes. Her motto in life is do the right thing even when no one is.
DBCS, are you excited to witness another song and dance presentation? Without further ado, let us witness the song and dance presentation by our energetic